Today, we are going to show you how to remove the Bing or CoPilot button and sidebar from Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. Let's begin. Launch Microsoft Edge on your Windows PC. Now you can see the sidebar icon here. We can remove it in just a few steps. Just head over to the Settings page by clicking on the three-dot icon and navigating to it. Now, from the left pane, click on Sidebar. Under Sidebar Visibility, select the toggle next to Off. Once done, you will see an option named CoPilot under App and Notification Settings. Click on it. Here, turn the toggle off next to Show CoPilot. Now, hit the back arrow. Here, turn the toggle off next to Show Sidebar button. Finally, close the browser and relaunch it to see the changes. And here it is. No more Bing or CoPilot sidebar business on your browser's UI. Nifty trick, right? For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.